Hello Batmobile fans, in particular cartoon Batmobiles. So this is a long time coming. I've been looking for this one for a while. This is the Tumbler. And it says 2005 is when this toy came out, so it's kind of old. And this one might actually be new. Now, it's got multiple layers of tape. But whatever, hopefully as long as it's in good shape, I don't care if it's used. But we'll have to see if it's been damaged or not. Yeah, ChoroQ's Takara. They're legit kind of a company. I think they're Tomy Tech now. So they get licensing and all that stuff. A little piece of paper. What's going on in this? Oh, it's like the fan club thing. Alright, let's get rid of that. Anything in this? No, I don't think so. Okay. Cardboard bat, alright. Oh, it says here, this is from Batman Begins. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's when it debuted, the Tumbler. So that's, I guess, from, the basement. And you can see the deformation. What I didn't know is this thing. It's a Tumbler golf cart. It's awesome. So that's really cool that someone made that. I think that's hilarious. You can put the clubs there. I mean, it's got giant, shocks and everything. That's really funny. I mean, this guy must get so many comments driving that thing around. So I'd want one just to like run errands, but I don't know if that's street legal or not. Okay, well, let's look at this Choro-Q here. So this is actually not a standard 5-spoke ChoroQ wheel. This is specific to the Tumbler, so that's nice. It's a different wheel entirely. You can see the little actuators here for these flaps are painted silver. I'm not sure what that is on the real thing. More silver shock things. I guess that's a side window. And then you can see the inset wheels, and yeah, those are unique wheels. I've never seen a ChoroQ, axle going all the way through. So it rolls actually well because this is a pullback toy. Yeah. So they go really fast. Too nice to be running into walls, in my opinion. Or maybe you don't think that. Alright, so anyways, we'll have all the details here. They were inspired by the movie car. Okay, I get the feeling like this might be clear plastic, just smoked. Where's the flashlight? Hold on. Yeah, there's some light getting in there, but there's no interior. Alright, well, it's just a different material, material separation. These are the exhaust stacks. They're painted silver with a recess in the middle. Those flaps there, but not much by way of the shocks. It'd been cool if they had like the gold struts here holding that up. But here are those shocks in the back. They're kind of just floating in the air, though. Would have been cooler if they, oh, they can't. There's a spring motor underneath this thing. So at least they got the jet engine thing here, and these little holes there passing air, so that's nice. That's it, I guess. The bottom here, we have the licensing, and it says 2005 there. I do believe they actually have one maybe from the sequel that's like tan and black, that livery. But if I ever see one of those, I'll pick one of those up probably too. Let's look at some other tuned Batmobiles. Alright, got an interesting mix coming up here. You may have seen this one. I did a video of 3D printed wheels on the Hot Wheels tuned Batmobile. Really cool, for a mainline. ChoroQ wise, I think this is one of my favorite Batmobiles. It probably is my favorite Batmobile. The Michael Keaton 1989 Batman, I think it was. So that's one, and it came in a set with this funky Mr. Freeze, Arnold Schwarzenegger movie one. I think that was from that one. So I don't like that. That's not my style, but I had to get it because I wanted the other one. So anyways, these also have unique wheels, so that's nice. Yeah, even that unique. Okay, so now there's a different brand called Ben Presto, I think it was, and this has a magnet in it, and it's somehow actuates the motor, but it has to be over like a piece of steel to actually work. And I forget what this is called. It's like the inside of a Batmobile, and it becomes like a mono. I don't know. I forget what it's called. Leave a comment if you know. I can't remember everything. And then Beast Kingdom, known for their tuned action figures, they had this classic one, and I 3D printed my own wheels for this. It's a classic TV. And then the last one is a ChoroQ, but it's not a Batmobile. It's something called, from the Mach Gear collection. And I don't know, it literally has a battery at some point in time in there. There's an on-off switch, but I don't know what controls it. I've never even turned that thing on, but I'm sure the battery's long dead by now. Luckily it hasn't caught on fire, but it definitely looks like a Batmobile, right? Oh, it says AX and Mach Gear B. No clue what any of that means. Unique wheels on it though. Alright, so that's a bunch of cartoonish Batmobiles. Well, you know, I got two more. I might as well, I can fit them on here. These are those magnetic ones. This is the 89 one and the armored 89 one. So, well, they're all black. I guess that's a common theme going on with Batmobiles, at least until you get to the Tumbler that's tan. Okay. Well, I'm not sure when my solar spinners died there, but it did. This is a Bandai Batman. So I'm very happy to have this. It's been over a year, and I've wanted this thing. So, alright, hopefully I can find some other Batmobiles that are cartooned, or maybe even realistic looking ones. Alright, see you guys.